sodium and chlorine are manufactured inside the Earth as gases. Existing as gases, they rise through the magma and are attracted by like atoms. The two gases move toward specific gravity centers specific for these atoms. They join in crystal bonds and begin to build underland masses of salt. Hundreds of millions of years ago, these fields rose up in salt domes. Then, as tectonic spreading broke into these hidden salt domes, the salt dissolved into these shallow seas in time and caused mass extinctions of various fish families. No, salt domes are not formed by evaporating seas or oceans. Another silly idea. Cracking and spreading created the world's great flatlands and ridges. Each and every ridge on Earth has an opposite spreading ridge, proving and showing that it is a spread. Rifts broke down to a newer and deeper depth, just like the Valles Marineris on Mars. Exactly like it. 185 million years ago, the stretching rubber band broke. As before, the water drained off out of the shallow seas and into the newly spreading oceans. Half of the Earth's growth has happened since the extinction of dinosaurs. This means that the Earth is accelerating in its growth. In the last 65 million years, Earth nearly doubled in size. The last redoubling took 600 million years, at least. We're continuing all the indicated undersea directions like following a blueprint. The Earth guides us. The rifts eject new and more gases from the inside of the Earth on an ongoing basis to replace those blown off into space. Oxygen is replenished from these rifts every day. And now the land masses will come together perfectly. As we now go forward in time from 185 million years ago, please notice there is no subduction, no raising and lowering of land masses. There can't be. It's hell in the form of magma down there. Local raising and lowering, yes, but not on a massive basis. It can't happen. There's no turning, rotating of land masses. The land masses sit in their individual plates and don't move. The rifts open, that's all. For examination, I'm going to run a few vignettes of each area of Earth that you have a right to be curious about. The North Pole. Man, I love this map so much. There was a piece in the recent National Geo. It shows that the trees in Asia and North America were exactly the same trees. Well, this is why. The land was together when the trees evolved. The South Pole. The oceans have absolutely nothing to do with tectonic spreading, except that they cool the thickening mantle. Tectonic spreading, even according to the most conservative scientists, has created 2/3 of the Earth's surface in the last 200 million years. And therefore, the same must be true on all planets, including Mars. Must. And we can see the younger spreads on Mars just as on Earth. But there is, just as clearly, no subduction on Mars. It can't be both ways. You either have spreading and subduction, or you have only spreading, and you must have spreading. Or you can continue to ignore the facts and say, as the ancients said, that the Earth is unique and singular in the universe, and that we are the center and the universe rotates around the Earth.